New headlights for the Cummins. Let's roll. By the way guys, this keychain, I got it from JW Montoya. I'm not too sure if he still has them for sale or not, but they're actually really nice. They're actually pretty heavy, and the wheel actually spins in there if you blow in it. That's all I'm gonna say. We're gonna open my garage door. We're gonna pull the Cummins as far up as possible to my garage, even though my truck's in the way. Yeah, my truck's in the way. I keep saying my truck as if I don't have the Cummins also. I'm just used to only having one truck. I mean my Duramax. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the Duramax out of the way and then pull the Cummins right up to the garage, my garage. Just in case it does start raining, I have a spot I can kind of pull it in a little bit just to get it out of the rain. Pull the Cummins right up here to the garage. Also guys, ZR1 content is on its way. I'm sorry, it's been so long. Let's roll. Been raining here so much lately. Alright, so yeah, what we're gonna do is just gonna pull it into my driveway, which is right there. My truck's right there. Let's go get started. Dang, these brakes are so good. So, yeah, it's all foggy in here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to leave it right now. If it does start raining, I will pull it up. Or I'll probably just wait till it stops raining. We'll see. But yeah, it should be a good spot. Let's go ahead and get started. One bolt right there. One bolt right there. Take another bolt right there. I can already tell it's not going to be as easy as the Duramax. This one is literally, you pull 2 pins and it takes basically all the headlights out. There's a pin on the top of each headlight, and then that gives you access to get to the bottom, like bumper lights. So I'm probably not going to show you guys me taking these off because it kind of doesn't make sense. It's not very exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and get these off, and then I'll get everything ready to go for the new ones. I have a problem here, boys, and I actually read a review that said the exact same thing, and I kind of ignored it. I just figured it was kind of a fluke for that thing. But this one showed up broke. I'm gonna be able to fix it. I'll fix it and still work and use it, but it came broke, and it's not a huge deal. I'm just saying, if you're wanting to buy these headlights, then definitely I would probably look somewhere else, because I guess this is a common thing. See, it's broke right off. It's supposed to be connected right there, and this piece is broke right there. We are gonna make it work, so let's go ahead and get started. I already got that one out. Actually, it was super easy. 3 bolts, 3 10mm little screws, actually, and it was out. Not as easy as the Duramax, but pretty close, pretty close. If you can find your 10mm, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock both the sides out, and I might show you a little sneak peek of one side once this one's done. And I'm gonna have to fix this. I'm gonna probably have to use some glue or something. Some Gorilla Glue or something strong, good old Harambe glue. It is starting to rain a little bit, but I'm going to be able to knock this out, I think, outside. They look amazing already. I still got a little film on them, of course. Still got to do this side. I mean, look how yellowed this one is. It's yellowed out. That's a little sneak preview you guys get. So I will show you guys once it's all done. And of course, I'm going to run the LEDs here shortly. And I'm also waiting on new headlights to come in. Right now, I'm using the HIDs that were already in the truck. I got either MIG tuning or aux beam ones on the way, so be on the lookout for those as well. So it looks pretty good so far. It's gonna look way better once the film's off, but yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm finished. These look amazing. Look at this. They really go with the white. I haven't ran the wires just yet. I'm actually about to go get some more wiring. I didn't have enough to run it all the way into the cab. What do you guys think? I'll probably end up showing you either tonight what they look like at night, and then I'll end up showing you the next day as well, because I still got to go get that stuff, and I'm probably not going to finish wiring it tonight. I found a harness. I think this is an old aux beam harness I had laying around. Just got to put another fuse in. So these have separate leads. Each individual, all 4 of them have their own wiring. So of course, it's going to be pretty easy to do this, but just run into positive, run into negative, hook it to the battery. I gotta find a way to run this into the cab somewhere. I don't know where. But it's got a little 3M backing there, or adhesive backing, so I can put it basically wherever I want. But we gotta find a way through the firewall and make sure it's a clean connection. Alright guys, it is the next day, clearly. I decided to wait till today to show you guys the running lights because they were way too bright to really show on camera. They were kind of getting in the way. So I decided to show you today. There's a damn Mustang in the way. Get out. But anyways, I'll show you how I wired them. Pretty easy. It's not. I didn't really want to show you guys how I wired them because it's not hard to do. It's just really straightforward. I had this old harness, on and off switch there, and let me show you what they look like. I ain't gonna open the hood. It's too easy. They look amazing. What a different look, man. Looks awesome. This truck is really, really coming together. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of them. Do you like them? Are they too much? I was kind of hesitant at first because I thought maybe it'd be too flashy, but I think it really gives it a clean look. Looks great to me. I'll put the link to these in the description. Of course, the driver's side one had some damage when I got it, but it wasn't a big deal. I was able to fix it pretty easily, but just be aware of that if you do buy these. They may come broke. Hopefully they don't get any more broken than that. You know, hopefully that's the worst of it. Yeah, considering this thing only has 33s and 18-inch wheels, things really coming along. You know, that's usually not my size setup I go with, but it's really looking good. Wheels and tires are coming up next. Of course, we're getting this thing wrapped. Performance, all that stuff's coming. So, but I want you guys to place your bets now. We're doing a 12 valve versus Duramax off-road video. So we're gonna do a few little tests between the two trucks out at my hunting lease. And as you guys know, a lot of soft sand, there's some mud out there. And we're gonna do a head-to-head test and see what performs better off-road. Of course, my truck being on 40s and their trail grapplers versus this truck on 33 Toyo Open Country ATs all-terrains. And of course they're not super aggressive. This truck's way lighter. I think it'll be a decent comparison, but I think the 12 valve, let me get out of the wind here. I think the 12 valve will win. Personally, I think it'll win. But definitely comment below what you think is going to win the head-to-head battle between the two. I'm hoping to be able to do it middle of this week. Not too sure if I'll be able to or not, because I still haven't got this thing registered, and I'm about to get registered. Probably not tomorrow, but the next day. So it'll be ready to go. I think it'll be a close one. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy these small little updates of the build. I've told you guys I'm gonna keep showing you every little thing I do to this thing. It may get boring for some people because I know you want performance right now. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as I said before, I want to take you guys along the way for every little modification I do to this truck, whether it's just removing fender flares, paint, headlights, taillights, of course. You know, I want to bring you guys along the whole time. So it may not be fun for some people, You know, a lot of people want performance, and I understand that, and that is coming, I promise. But I want to get this thing looking right before I jump into all that. So, with that being said, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe if you're a diesel fan. The Duramax, Cummins, off-roading, Corvette, whatever. Definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are already subscribed, make sure you turn on post notifications as well. Give this video a like. And yeah, make sure you place your bets on who's going to win the off-roading comparison between the two trucks. I think it's going to be closer than people think. So, but yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.